Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader in the 4 hours, if you are a scalper and a day trader in 30 minutes, and you find down below the timeline for all the video, so go choose your time. And my advice to you is to watch the video from the start till the end. It's going to be better for you. But let's start our lesson of today. So as you see here, the Bitcoin was it done till now. Also, we sell here in that level here. You remember what I told you here? We got here an inside bar. Till now the Bitcoin couldn't break here and couldn't break down here. It just showing here sideways market. There is no big investors yet. And even if we came here to the volume like that, what you see in here down, look with me here, the volume, it started going down until now there is no big volume, and the volume down here, it couldn't break that level here as you see it. Even if we zoom it a little bit, let's zoom it together. As you see it here, as you see all along, as we be in here under that line, and that line is going down and down. That's when the volume is going very lower and lower. So what that indicating? That it's indicating there is a huge move going to come, because now if you're using the Bollinger Band, you're going to find it is getting like that, getting smaller and smaller like that. So there is nowhere the market going. The market is getting flat and flat and flat. But after the market is getting like that, there is a big move is going to come. So you need to wait it what is going to happen. That's why me, I give you all the scenarios. I give you here, we got here the inside bar, that one here for the daily. If it came here and break it here, but they haven't entered, they need to enter here. If it fall down here and broken here down, people, they enter from 15k with us, they need to close and to take some profit. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's going to see the coming news for today. So let's go in there. Here we are, that the coming news. As you see it, we don't got something special here. As you see it, we got here the CPI of Germany, then that one of UK, EU Leader Summit. All those things also we don't care about it. The only thing we got that one, the initial jobless claim. As you see it, even here in investing, they're making the forecast is going to go more higher than the previous one. If it's doing like that, that's when the Fed, what he doing, it's working till now. So let's wait until tomorrow. I think picture is too clear here, and it's going to come at 1:30 GMT time. So you change it with your local time, depending where you are in the world. And here, our friend, the table of us, we're looking at it every day. What it telling us today here, look with me here, all US stocks, as I told you in the last video, they are falling down, and that's what it's showing here. Look at them. Plus here, what we got, our friend, is the VIX. Today is getting a little bit higher, and I'm going to tell you why that's happening. Because Google, they try to make their own AI, but that AI, it have some problems. It's like chat GPT of Microsoft. Even Google, they try to make their own AI for search engine, but it has some problems. That way you see US stocks today, they fall down because of that problem. Plus here, the US dollar, what may I show you in the last video. If you haven't watching our analysis index, why the SP 500, the Nasdaq, go back and watch it, because that one we put it only once a day, and the Bitcoin once a day. Here, what it's showing the dollar here, it's staying in his place. It's go up only 0.04. That means it's staying in his place. There is nowhere to go. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here, only for swing traders. You need to remember that. Here, what else we said? We said we got here that level here. And here, we got here a megaphone. Very clear megaphone here. And in the last video in 30 minutes, I told you got here even now a wedge like that, or a triangle like that. Even that one, you can follow it if it's breaking up. And if it's breaking down. If it's breaking up here, it will go only just till here, till the last high here, till the 24k. Not just for scalpers and day traders, but for the long, it needs to come to break for us that level here. Look at it. That last high here, it needs to be broken. Till now the market is showing here is going to stay sideways, and that's how it's locked. The market will not go to nowhere. So even us, we need to wait in. Trading is about passion, and you need to learn that. Without passion, you can't be a trader. You need to remember those things I'm telling you now here. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying today. That one here, as you remember, also we got here a divergence for that downtrend now. Every time he came to it, he touched it, then it fell down. Now here, he came, he's showing us like that. Maybe he's going to go back to touch it here. Maybe not. Till now, also still waiting. If it's going to break down, also we're going to enter short. If it's breaking higher here, also we're going to enter long. So till now, also still waiting. And now here, the bears, they're showing here. They took control for the market, but they are not powerful yet. That's why I told you it's not yet. Majority of the investors, they said they are not going to sell. People, they enter from 15K, they are holding their profit and they said they are not going to sell any penny. So who's going to sell to them? That's why I told you Bitcoin is going to enter to a bull run soon. And I'll show you all the on-chain data telling you that. So for long-term investors, start this AM, forget about all that. Swing trader, you need to wait in the price action to tell you need to enter. It's going to see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, same thing. We be in here at the overbought area. We wait in a price action to tell us or to confirm for us we need to enter short. The only price action we got there is that one here. It needs to get broken down here. But now we got that one here, that triangle here as you see it. Or you can even make it like that if you want. Look with me here. But all of them, they are the same. You got here a head and shoulder here. But all of them, or all the ways they taken to Rome, all of them they taking you to this level here. It needs to be broken because over here the neckline, over here the lower of that wage, over here the lower of that megaphone. So everything is the same thing here. It needs to break here for you to enter short. If it's breaking here, also we're going to enter short. If it's not, also we are not going to enter. Let it to stay sideways here for 1 year or 2 years. Also we don't care about it. Also we are not going to enter in it. Yes, we can enter scalping and those things that day trading in lower time frames, but here in the 4 hours there is nothing yet. Also we need to wait in more what's going to happen. And those people they telling you like that you have here a wage, that wage is getting broke here, tell here you enter, that the dilemma here. And now here it give you here that one here, even that one if it came up and breaking here, you're going to enter from here to here. You waiting here days to enter for from here to here. No, my friend, you can't enter like that. That may be in the 30 minutes scalping and day trading, but here in the 4 hours is only for swing trading. Remember those things, what I'm telling you. I think picture is too clear here. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what is it there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. You need to remember that. Here, people, they've been with us for some time. They remember that. We used to have here the down channel like that. It's getting broke here. Also, we enter from here till here. Now, in the last video, what I told you here, I told you got here the triangle I just show you in the 4 hours. I told you if it's breaking because in the last video, we used to be here exactly. I told you if it's breaking down, you enter short, but it doesn't. Then now it's showing is going upward, and here now it's showing to us as if it's going to give us here a triple bottom here in that zone. Even that one also we need to look in at it what's going to happen, but for us to enter long it need the market to come to break for us that level here or that downtrend here. It need to come to be broken here for us to enter long till here again, till that place here. If it doesn't, there is no entry. Also we still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days. Here, even here there is nothing new. You need to wait and more what's going to happen. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see, it's telling us also we are here at the oversold area. So technically now you can even make like that. You came here, you draw in here a small triangle like that. If it's getting broken and breaking for you the 200 moving average, you can enter long, but only till here, till that last peak here, or maybe to touch here that trend line also will be showing you here. That one here, to touch it here, maybe then after that to fall down. But for you to enter long tail up here till 24k, it need to break here, the downtrend line also is showing you. Let's see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, look with me here, it give you here a very clear divergence like that. If you came from here till here, you got there a divergence. I show it to you before here, but now it give you more clear divergence here. Now should you enter long? If it's complete for you the price action, small price action, you got here a small triangle here, and the long one you got here the downtrend also we have here, and even the 200 moving average is a downtrend. If it's getting broke, you can enter long, but if you enter long, you put stop loss. And for the short, the same thing. I show you everything about the short. I show you for the short like that, and you do it like that. You came down here like that. If that one came and break a lower here, you can enter short, but if it's breaking here, you enter short even in the 4 hours. I think picture is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to smash that like button, to write down a comment, support us, guys. So that's it for that video. See you in another video. Bye for now.